Good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, X1CC. Good afternoon, good evening, US and Canada. This is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie for the D1CC Saturday morning weeknet. So all stations on the frequency, please stand by. Okay, so to start with, I'm opening the net with a prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for all the blessings you gave us. Forgive our shortcomings against you and our neighbor. Give us always the strength to do good and resist doing evil. Guide and bless us as we conduct the Saturday quick. Teach us to listen to your words. Make us transmit the same love you shower us every day with words and actions. Make us your instruments of peace, joy, and unity through this hobby. We ask this in Jesus' name, amen. Hello, everybody. Today is September 14, 2024, and it's a Saturday morning here in the Philippines. Again, it's Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. My name is Richard, transmitting from Milagro in Quezon City, your control station for this morning. Welcome to the X1CC QuickNet. The from Amateur Radio and Emergency Rescue Inc. was incorporated on October 15, 2021. Duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission, and was given the call sign the X1CC. Also, an accredited member of Philippine Amateur Radio Association. The X1CC conducts its morning net call every Tuesday, Thursday at 7:30 Alpha Mike, Philippine Standard Time. On Saturday, our Saturday morning QuickNet starts at 7:30 Alpha Mike, Philippine Standard Time on 145.780 MHz. You may also join us through the following nodes and reflectors on All Starlink node 555340 and 57031, DB6 node on 557782, echoing at DX1CC-L, DX1CC-R, and DW1OTT-L. Also, we have DMR, talk group on GIF TG4107 and TG51507, Free DMR at TG51507, YSF DX1CC04107, PNET, Category PH, Room DMR 4107, M17-KPH Module Sulu, and on Hamshakat Line 94174. The X1CC QuickNet is also heard on the Kapihan Network, Saipan Amateur Radio Club, Freedom Filipino Network, the X1 Echo, the X6 Hotel, the X1 KPH, and many more. The X1CC also conducts its evening net every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 8 to 9 in the evening on 145.780 MHz and aforementioned links to channels and reflectors. Before we start the net, we will call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call net control. Again, before we start the net, we will call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which you can be of assistance. Please call net control. Nothing heard. Emergency, priority, or medical traffic can break in anytime during the net. Net control will stop the net so the group can provide assistance. Please be advised that this is a supervised net call and all calls must pass through the net control. Please don't transmit unless the net control instructs you to transmit. To accommodate all stations and alleviate station file-ups, the net is divided into segments as follows. First, stations outside the Philippines. Second, stations from District 1 in the Philippines. Third, stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Fourth, stations from District 3 in the Philippines. Fifth, stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines. And lastly, stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. The X1CC members and honorary members and wireless stations can check in anytime at any segment. Alright, so towards the end of the net, when there are few stations check in, the net control will call stations from anywhere in any mode. All stations are requested to give a complete amateur call sign designated prefix. District numbers suffix phonetically and slowly. This is a quick net. All you have to do is to say your call sign twice and wait until the net control acknowledges your station, and that's it. Again, this is a quick net. All you have to do is to say your call sign or to give your call sign twice and wait until the net control acknowledges your station. That's it. Please give 2 seconds gap before transmit to allow other stations from our RF and digital link to the internet. So again, this is Delta Victor 1 Charlie for the DX1 CC Saturday morning QuickNet. And I'm starting calling stations outside the Philippines. Please come now. Stations outside the Philippines, DX1 CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations. Please go ahead.
Kilo Hotel 7 Lima Echo.
November 6 Delta Oscar Zulu and 60 OZ.
For Hotel 1 Oscar Sierra November Mobile.
Whiskey Bravo 6 Foxtrot Bravo WB6FB.
Kilo Golf 6 Victor Golf Charlie. Kilo Golf 6 Victor Golf Charlie.
Kilo Golf 6 Charlie Lima Juliet KG6 CLJ. November 6 Bravo Echo November and 6BM.
Okay, this is Delta Metro 1 Romeo Mike Charlie, net control, copy the following stations for our Saturday morning QuickNet. First, the mobile station of Billy Kilo Hotel 7 Lima Echo, followed by November 6 Delta Oscar Zulu, Rudy, and another mobile station of the X1CC for Hotel 1 Oscar Sierra November, Olman Frederick, and of course the station of Tita Frida, Whiskey Bravo 6 Foxtrot Bravo, hello sa inyo ni Tito Ben, Tita Frida, 88. Okay, and the birthday celebrant, Kilo November 6 November, Papa Charlie Johnson, followed by Tito Albert Kilo Golf 6 Victor Golf Charlie, and of course the station of Oldman Jimmy, KG6 CLJ, and lastly the station of Tito Ben, November 6 Bravo Echo November. So, okay, so again, thank you very much for joining us today on our Saturday morning QuickNet. So, ingat po kayo palagi, and your stations are laging cleared at 7-3. Right, the second call for stations outside the Philippines, the X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. This is DB1RMC, standing by.
In 6BOY, November 6 Bravo Oscar Yankee.
4 Foxtrot 1 Papa Uniform Zulu, the X1CC.
4 India 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf 4 Italy 1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf.
For Golf 1 Whiskey Victor. For Golf 1 Whiskey Victor. Good morning, Vice Heaven 3.
For Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Charlie. For Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Charlie, DX1CC. Good morning, Vice Richard.
For Hotel 1 Romeo Victor Quebec. For Hotel 1 Romeo Victor Quebec, DX1CC.
For Golf 1 Foxtrot Sierra Juliet, DX1CC. Good morning.
Okay, the Delta Metro 1 Romeo Mike Charlie National copy the following stations for the second round outside the Philippines. First, the station of Tito Boy, November 6 Bravo Oscar Yankee, followed by one of our honorary members, Press Oyo for Paxson Papa Uniform Zulu, and the station of Sam of the X1CC for I1 Hotel Foxtrot Golf. Another the X1CC for Golf 1 Whiskey Victor si Kuya Nilo, and the station of Kuya Remy of the X1CC for Hotel 1 Romeo X Charlie, and followed by Kuya Andy of the X1CC for Hotel 1 Romeo Victor Quebec, and lastly station of John of the X1CC also for Golf 1 Foxtrot Juliet. Okay, thank you very much to all of you for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning Quicknet. Ingat lang po palagi. But bago natin, before we proceed on our last call outside the Philippines, on behalf of the X1CC, we would like to greet a happy birthday pala si Kay Jansen, November 6, November Papa Charlie, one of our honoraria members from San Leandro, California, and also part of Kilo November Sheriff Aksat. Jansen, again, happy birthday to you and enjoy the day. Have a good one. Alright, ingat lang. Okay, so again, this is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie calling last stations or last call for stations outside the Philippines. Please come now.
Kilo Alpha 6 Juliet Oscar Echo KA6 JOE.
4 Golf 1 Whiskey DX1CC.
W6 VIC.
Paring Jawa Yankee Juliet Bravo DX1CC.
4 Golf 1 Whiskey DX1CC.
Okay, all station please stand by. All station please stand by. Copy, Kajo, Father Tom, and Richard. The BIG, pakibalik po yung BIG.
W6 Victor India Charlie. W6 VIC.
Ay, maraming salamat Tito Big sa pagbalik. Okay, so again, this is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie, your net control station. So I copy the following station. First station of Kajo, Kilo Alpha 6 Juliet Oscar Echo, followed by Father Tom of the X1CC 4G1 Whiskey, and the station of Tito Big, Whiskey 6 Victor India Charlie, and lastly the station of Richard of the X1CC, that was 4 Indo 1 Yankee Juliet Bravo. So again, thank you very much for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning Quicknet, and have a good day ahead or happy weekend. Ingat lang palagi, okay? Your stations are not lagging 7-3. Time check of 42 minutes after the hour, so let's move on for stations from District 1 in the Philippines. I'm calling stations from District 1 in the Philippines. Please come now. DB1 RMC for this 1CC Saturday morning quick test standing.
For Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee. For Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee. Good morning, Vice Richard.
For Hotel 1 Lima November Quebec. For Hotel 1 Lima November Quebec. Good morning, Tito Richard.
For Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo. For Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo. Good morning, Tito Richard.
X-Ray Foxtrot Delta 4G1.
Okay, all stations please stand by. All stations please stand by. This Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie net control. Copy the following stations. First station of Pierre Randolph of the X1CC, 4 Hotel 1 Quebec Mike Yankee, followed by Meiji of the X1 Echo, 4 Hotel 1 Lima November Quebec, and another station from the X1CC, Kuya Mani, 4 Hotel 1 Romeo X-Ray Bravo, and lastly, the X1CC also, 4 Golf 1 X-Ray Delta si Ed Doom. So again, maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning Quicknet. At ingat lang palagi, okay? Happy weekend. Your stations are now laging cleared at 7-3. Right, the second call for stations from District 1 in the Philippines. Second call, stations from District 1 in the Philippines. Please come now. DB1 RMC for the DX1CC Saturday morning Quicknet standing by.
For Hotel 1 Foxtrot Whiskey Lima. For Hotel 1 Foxtrot Whiskey Lima. Good morning, Tito Richard.
P1P.
Alright, DB1 RMC copy 2 stations. The first station of kay Alvin, 4 Hotel 1 Foxtrot Whiskey Lima. Likewise, Alvin, good morning dyan sa iyo. Of course, a part of the X1 Echo. So, followed by our club vice president for internal, that was Delta Victor 1 of Papasia BP Maco at Tehero General T.S. Cavite. Okay, and happy weekend, at ingat lang po, and your stations are na laging cleared. Maraming salamat po. Right, so last call for stations from District 1 in the Philippines. Last call, stations from District 1 in the Philippines, please come now. DB1RMC, net control standing by.
4 Echo 1 Oscar Alpha Alpha 4E10AA.
Delta Zulu 4 Echo. Good morning, Richard.
All right, DB1RMC again, net control, copy to station. First, the club vice president of the X1 Papa, the X1 Pro, even if di pa pala napalitan to Jolas, pasensya na. That was for Echo 1 Oscar Alpha Alpha. Good morning sa inyo. So, of course, followed by our club president, Delta Zulu for Echo, Sir Pres Ed Wills. Good morning sa inyong dalawa, and thank you very much for joining with us today. Ingat lang and happy weekend. Your stations are not lagging cleared 7-3. Okay, so time check, 46 minutes after the hour. So let's move on for stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Again, I'm calling for stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Of course, the X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. DB1RMC, net control standing by.
Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha.
Alpha Charlie Hotel.
Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha.
DW.
Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha. Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha. Good morning, Manong Richard.
Delta Yankee 2 Kilo Hotel Juliet. Delta Yankee 2 Kilo Hotel Juliet. Good morning, Richard.
Delta Victor 2
Romeo Delta
Hotel Echo Romeo.
4 Foxtrot 2 Romeo Delta Oscar.
Delta Victor 2 Hotel Echo Romeo. Delta Victor 2 Hotel Echo Romeo. Good morning, Richard. Happy birthday, Manong Jansen, 73.
4 Fox 2 Bravo Romeo, uniform, 4F2 BRE. DW2 Hotel Alpha Delta, DW2 Hotel Alpha.
4 Fox 0 X-ray. 4 Fox 0 X.
Delta Victor 2 Alpha Sierra Whiskey. Good morning, Mr. Richard.
Four Fox 2 Bravo Romeo, uniform, 4F2 BRE.
Okay, DB1RMC net control, copy the following stations, and the other, please stand by. So first is station of Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Hotel Alpha, followed by the mobile station, Manong Henry, Delta Whiskey 2 Alpha Charlie Hotel, and of course the station of Press Blair, Delta Victor 2 Hotel Echo Romeo, and followed by Ricky, Delta Yankee 2 Kilo Hotel Juliet, and the station of Manong Boyet, 4 Fox 2 Romeo Delta Oscar, station of Manong Roger, 4 Fox 2 Bravo Romeo Uniform, and the station of Manong Delta Whiskey 2 Hotel Alpha Delta, and of course the station of Kuya Rolly, 4 Fox 0 X, and lastly the station of Kuya Jojo, DB2 Alpha Sierra Whiskey. Again, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning peak. Ingat lang po kayo palagi and happy weekend. Your stations are now lagging cleared 7-3. Okay, second call for stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Second call, stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Please come now. This is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Charlie for the DX1CC Saturday morning quick net standing by.
Delta Whiskey 2 Foxtrot India Zulu. Delta Whiskey 2 Foxtrot India Zulu. Good morning, Richard.
Delta Yankee 2 Lima Delta Uniform. Delta Yankee 2 Lima Delta Uniform. Good morning, Mang Richard.
4 Hotel 1 Romeo X-ray Delta, 4 Hotel 1 Romeo X-ray Delta, DX1CC. Magandang umaga, Tito Richard.
Ninja 2 Bravo Oscar Bravo, check in, check out.
Okay, all stations please stand by. This is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie. Now copy the following stations. First is station of Manong Mar, or Kuya Mar, Delta Whiskey 2 Foxtrot India Zulu, followed by Delta Yankee 2 Lima Delta Uniform, si Manong Ronnie. And of course the station of Kuya Obet of the X1CC, that was 4 Hotel 1 Romeo X Delta. And lastly the station of Kuya Bong, 4 India 2 Bravo Oscar Bravo. So maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning Quicknet. Ingat lang po palagi. Happy weekend. Your stations are now laging cleared at 7-3. Okay, last call for stations from District 2 in the Philippines. Last call stations from District 2 in the Philippines. The X1CC members and honorary members and wireless stations can check in anytime. DB1 RMC standing by.
For Hotel 1, Lima Oscar X-ray, check in, check out. The X1CC. Thank you.
Alright, nothing heard from District 2, but I copy one station from the X1CC, Kuya Hener, for Hotel 1, Lima, Oscar X-ray. Kuya Hener, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net and good to hear you again. Okay, ingat lang palagi dyan. Again, for Hotel 1, Lima, Oscar X-ray of the X1CC is now lagging cleared 7-3. Okay, time check of 51 minutes after the hour, so let's move on for stations from District 3 in the Philippines. This is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie Richard for the DX1CC Saturday morning quick net starting.
Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India. Delta Whiskey 3 Mike Yankee India.
Take up the station of Jojo. Any other stations from District 3? Any other stations from District 3? Please go ahead. Last call, any other stations from District 3 in the Philippines? Last call, stations from District 3, please go ahead. Right, nothing heard. So, Jojo, thank you very much for joining with us today. Happy weekend. Ingat lang palagi dyan. Okay, so your station Delta Whiskey 3, Mike Yankee India of DX3L is the 7-3. So, let's move on for stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, I'm calling stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and wireless stations can check in anytime. So, DB1 RMC, Richard, Net Control, standing by.
For India 1, Oscar Alpha Delta. For India 1, Oscar Alpha Delta. Good morning, Tito Richard.
Delta Whiskey 7, November Kilo. DW7, November Kilo.
Okay, so stand by, all stations, babalik pa tayo. Okay, yung nagtatransmit po, please stand by. So I copy the station of Jeff DX1CC, that was a 4 India 1 Oscar Alpha Delta 4, followed by Ronan of DX7 HQ, Dumaguete, Delta Whiskey 7, November Kilo. Maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning Quicknet. Happy weekend. Ingat po, your stations are now laging cleared at 7-3. Second call for stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, I'm calling for stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines. Please go ahead.
Delta Whiskey 4 Alpha Bravo Echo. Delta Whiskey 4 Alpha Bravo Echo.
For India 1,
Okay.
Foxtrot Zulu uniform. Good morning, BP Richard 73, DX1CC.
Alright, so DB1 RMC National Show, like copy the station, Kuya Ting, Delta Whiskey 4 Alpha Bravo Echo, followed by 4 India 1 Foxtrot Zulu uniform, the X1CC Ray. So maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Ingat po palagi and happy weekend. Your stations are na laging cleared at 7-3. Alright, last call for stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines, the X1CC members and honorary members, and while stations can check in anytime. DB1RMC standing by.
Delta Zulu 1 Kilo, DX1CC. Good morning, Tito Richard.
4 Gold 1 Gold Papa Yankee, DX1CC. Good morning, Tito Richard.
Okay, nothing heard from stations from District 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the Philippines, but I copy 2 stations from the X1CC. First, the station of Clarence, Delta Zulu 1 Kilo, followed by 4 Golf 1 Golf Papa Yankee, Chris. So maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Ingat lang palagi, happy weekend, and stations are na laging cleared at 7-3. Okay, time check, 56 minutes after the hour. So let's move on for stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. Again, I'm calling stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. The X1CC members, honorary members, and while stations can check in anytime. Again, this is DB1RMC, net control. Bye.
BU8 Alpha Yankee Bravo, good morning.
For Golf 8 Whiskey, Victor, good morning by Richard, checking in, no traffic, 73.
Good morning, Brad Richard, 7-3, buhay.
For Golf 8 Whiskey, Victoria, checking in, no traffic, 73 by Richard.
Good morning.
DV8 Juliet Oscar November. DV8 Juliet Oscar November. Good morning, Kuya Richard. Happy weekend.
For Hotel 8, Whiskey Romeo Lima. For Hotel 8, Whiskey Romeo Lima. Good morning by Richard, 73. Mabuhay, ingat.
Right, all stations please stand by. All stations please stand by. Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie, net control, copy the following stations. So first is station of Delta Uniform 8 Alpha Yankee Bravo, si Kuya Glenn, 4 Golf Whiskey Victor si Kuya Nick, followed by Delta Victor 8 Charlie November Quebec, si Kuya Ronald, Delta Victor 8, si Brad Ronald, sorry, Delta Victor 8 Juliet Oscar November, si Kuya Jong, the station of 4 Whiskey Romeo Lima, si Ben. So maraming salamat for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Ingat lang palagi dyan, okay? So your stations are na laging 37-3. Second call for stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. Second call, stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. DB1RMC, net control stand.
Whiskey 1 Victor X-ray, go X1CC, good morning.
Victor, tulo.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Mike
Alpha.
BY8 CMM.
408 Whiskey Mike Alpha. Good morning by Richard, 73, mabuhay.
May buntag by Richard. This is Popax 9 Victor Juliet Quebec together with XYL.
4 Golf 9 Victor Sierra Quebec.
Check in, check out, 73.
Alright, so all stations please stand by. All stations please stand by. So hold on. DB1RMC National copy the following stations. First is station of Phil June, Delta Yankee 9 India Victor Zulu, followed by Edwin of the X1CC, the Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-ray Echo, and of course the station of Mami Romy, Delta Yankee Charlie Mike, the station of Kuya Albert, the 4-8 Whiskey Mike Alpha, and the station of Philip and Ate Susan, that was Fox 9 Victor Juliet Quebec, and for Golf 9 Victor Sierra Quebec. So maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Natutuwa ako narinig ko ulit si Ate Susan at si Kuya Joseph ng Cotabato City. So maraming salamat po. Your stations are now logging to the 73. Alright, according to her, it's 8 Alpha Mike here in the Philippines. So last call for stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. Okay, I'm calling stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines. Please come now. DB1RMC standing by.
Delta Whiskey 9, Juliet Romeo Zulu, DW9 JZ. Nakakapasok ba ako? Hindi ko narinig eh. Ayun, magandang umaga, DJ Richard, DB1RMC. Good morning.
Victor Uniform 2 Mike Delta Alpha. Victor Uniform 2 Mike Delta Alpha.
Okay, any copy station of Rudy of Ragdari, any other stations from District 8 and 9? Any other stations from District 8 and 9 in the Philippines only? Please go ahead. Okay, heard, so copy station of
Uniform 8 Echo Echo DU 8 Echo Echo.
Okay, copy the station of Kuya Ed. Long time no hear. Busy ka ata palagi. Ayun, ingat lang. Okay, copy the station of the net control station of the X9 RAG. That was Delta Whiskey 9 Juliet Romeo Zulu. Si Rudy, followed by Kuya Ed, Delta Uniform 8 Echo Echo. So maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Lang po kayo palagi and happy weekend. So your stations are nalaging to the 7-3. Time check, 2 minutes after the hour. So, again, I'm calling stations outside the Philippines. Stations outside the Philippines, please come now. The B1RMC.
Victor Uniform 2 Mike Delta Alpha. VU to MDA for check-in. Victor Uniform 2 Mike Delta Alpha.
Okay, copy one station outside the Philippines. That was Sounder, Victor Uniform 2 Mike Delta Alpha. So, calling from India. Sounder, thank you very much for joining with us today on our Saturday morning QuickNet. You take care, okay? And your station is now logging to the 7-3. So, any other stations are calling in from outside the Philippines. Of course, the X1CC members, honorary members, and while stations can check in anytime. DB1C, Net Control, standing by. Last call, stations outside the Philippines, please come now. DB1RMC listening.
K6NIC, check in, check out.
Kilo Echo 6 Mike Sierra Echo.
6 Whiskey Tango, Kilo 6 Whiskey Tango Mobile.
Okay, DB1RMC, Natural Call. So I copy the station of Tito Nick, Kilo 6 November India Charlie, followed by Kilo Echo 6 Mike Sierra Echo, Seattle Domingo, and of course the mobile station of Tito Willie, Kilo 6 Whiskey Tango. Safe track, Tito Willie. Okay, and thank you very much to all of you for checking in and for supporting our net. Our Saturday QuickNet stations are now logging to the 7-3. Last call, stations outside the Philippines. Last call, stations outside the Philippines. Please come now. DB1RMC, Net Control, standing by. Okay, nothing heard. So I think we will call for stations from any mode. Okay, we will call stations from anywhere any mode all the way until 8:30 Alpha Mag dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so this is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie Net Control calling for any stations from anywhere any mode. Please come now.
Good morning, Tito Richard. For Hotel 1, Hotel Tango Eco, temporary transmitting Baguio City. Mabuhay, good 73.
Delta Victor 8.
For Hotel 1.
For
Hotel
1, Whiskey Delta Victor 8, Whiskey Mike Tango. Good morning,
For
Hotel
1,
Whiskey Juliet Delta.
Delta Victor 3, Echo Charlie Papa, DV3 ECP.
Delta Victor 3, Papa Mike Papa, DV3 PMP. Good morning, Tito Richard. Check in, check out.
Delta Uniform 2, Golf Alpha Victor, DU2 Golf Alpha Victor.
Okay, DB1 RMC, National Call, copy the following stations. First is station of 4 Hotel 1, Hotel Tango Echo /2, si Kuya Bong, followed by President of one of our honorary members, the club president of DX8 Hotel, DB8 Whiskey Mike Tango, and of course the station of Loop of DX1CC, 4 Hotel 1 Whiskey Juliet Delta, and the station of Unison JP, Delta Victor 3, Echo Charlie Papa, along with Delta Victor 3, Poging Machong Papa, and lastly the station of Kuya Larry, DU2 Golf Alpha Victor. So maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Ingat lang po ay palagi and happy weekend. Your stations are no lagging kids 73. Okay, second call for stations from anywhere anymore. DB1 RMC standing by.
Delta United 1.
For Hotel 1, Juliet
Oscar
Papa
Zulu
Delta.
Radio. Delta United 1, Oscar Zulu Radio. Check in.
Okay, copy the state Kuya Ditoy. Hold on. Yung 4 Hotel 1 po, pakibalik po yung 4 Hotel 1.
For Hotel 1, Juliet Papa Delta.
Alright, so copy 2 stations from Mindoro. So first station of DU1 Oscar Zulu Romeo, si Kuya Ditoy of DX1 Lima. Another station from DX1 Lima, 4 Hotel 1 Juliet Papa Delta, si Kuya Fred. And the station of Tatrahel of Freedom Filipino Network sa Delta City, India Charlie Romeo. So maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Ingat lang po palagi dyan, okay? Happy weekend. Your stations are no lagging kita 73. Alright, so another call for any stations from anywhere, any mode. DB1 RMC standing by.
Delta Yankee 9, Charlie Tango Yankee, Delta Yankee 9, Charlie Tango Yankee for the net.
Alright, copy the station of Kuya Resty. Maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning QuickNet. Happy weekend po. Ingat lang dyan. Your station Delta 9 and Charlie Tango Yankees now line 373. So any other stations calling in from anywhere, any mode? Any other stations calling in from anywhere, any mode? DB1 RMC for the DX1CC Saturday morning QuickNet standing by.
130 Yankee on RF. Richard, good morning. Delta Victor 8 Whiskey Echo Golf. Kilo 6 Bravo Foxtrot K6 BF. Happy weekend everyone. 73 mabuhay.
Right, DB1 RMC, National Copy Station of for Golf 1 Golf Hotel Yankee on RF, si Kuya Louie of DX1CC, followed by Kuya To, Delta Victor Ito Whiskey Echo Golf, and lastly the station of Kuya Burns, K6BF. Maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning quicknet. Ingat lang kayo palagi dyan, okay? So your stations are not lagging to 7-3. Okay, another call for any stations from anywhere, any mode. Any stations from anywhere, any mode, please come now. This is DB1 RMC, Richard, Net Control, standing by.
9 Yankee 4 Delta Alpha Alpha. 9 Yankee 4 Delta Alpha Alpha. Check in, check out.
For Foxtrot 1 Tango United Bravo. Morning, Tito Richard, 73.
Alright, DB1 RMC, copy the station of David Anthony, 9 Yankee 4 Delta Alpha Alpha, and the station of Kuya Romel, 4 Fox 1 Tango Uniform Bravo. So maraming salamat po, or thank you very much to both of you for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning quicknet. You take care, see you again on the airwaves, your station, logging here to 7-3. I recall for any stations from anywhere, any mode, any stations from anywhere, any mode, DB1 RMC for the DX1CC Saturday morning quicknet standing by.
Delta Whiskey 3 India Charlie Romeo, DW3 ICR.
4 Hotel 1 Echo India Tango, check in, check out.
Delta Whiskey Trap Uniform, Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Trap Uniform, check in, check out. Good morning.
Foxtrot 2 Papa Alpha Uniform Stroke 1. Magandang umaga dyan, Kuya Richard, 73.
Okay, so DB1 RMC Net Control, copy hold on, yung papasok po, hold on. Yung papasok ng station, please stand by. So copy the station, again, the station of Tatarahel, good morning po dyan sa inyo, Ate Rhea. DW3 ICR, followed by Rick for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango, and the station of Manong Jonathan, Delta Whiskey 2 Kilo Foxtrot Uniform, and lastly the station of Kuya Paulo for Fox 2 Papa Alpha Uniform /1. So maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our Saturday morning quicknet. Lang po dyan and happy weekend. So your stations are now lagging clear to 7-3. Okay, any other stations calling in from anywhere, any mode? This is DB1 RMC for the DX1CC Saturday morning quicknet standing by.
For Golf 1 Golf November Lima. For Golf 1 Golf November Lima. Good morning.
Okay, copy one station from the X1CC, our future. For Golf 1 November Lima, si Edwin from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Edwin, thank you very much for joining us today at ingat lang dyan. Happy weekend. Your station is now lagging to 7-3. So any other stations calling in from anywhere, any mode, DB1 RMC is still listening. DB1 RMC Net Control calling for any stations from anywhere, any mode, please come now.
DU2 Foxtrot Charlie, check in, check out, Charlie, good morning.
Alright, I copy one station si Kuya Matt. Ayun, maraming salamat Kuya Matt for joining with us today on our Saturday morning weekend. Ingat lang palagi yung happy weekend. The U2 Foxtrot Charlie is now lying cleared at 7-3. Any other stations calling in? Any other stations calling in from any mode? DB1 RMC, net control standing by. Alright, time check, 15 minutes after the hour. Still calling for stations who would like to join the DX1CC Saturday morning peaknet. This is DB1 RMC, net control standing by. Any more stations calling in? Any more stations calling in from anywhere, any mode? This is DB1 RMC, Richard, net control standing by.
KL7, KVP, Kilo Lima 7, Kilo Victor Papa.
Roger that, Kuya Walter. Thank you very much for joining with us today on our Saturday morning peaknet. Ingat po dyan sa Washington, alright? Kilo Lima 7, Kilo Victor Papa is now line cleared 7-3. Any other stations calling in? Any other stations calling in? DB1 RMC still listening.
For Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa. For Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa.
Okay, copy one station from the X1CC. That's a for Hotel 1 Foxtrot, Quebec, Papa, si Tina Alagro. So Tina, thank you for joining with us today on our Saturday morning peaknet. At kain na. Your station is now lagging cleared 7-3. Any more stations calling in? Any more stations calling in for the DX1CC Saturday morning peaknet? This is DB1 RMC, Richard, net control, standing by. Uy, maaga matatapos. Quicknet talaga. Any more stations calling in from any mode? This is DB1 RMC for the DX1CC Saturday morning Quicknet, standing by.
WA6JAY. WA6JAY.
Roger that, Kuya Jay. Maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. At ingat po dyan sa California. Okay, WA6JAY is now lagging cleared 7. Any more stations calling in? Please come now. DB1 RMC, net control standing by. Okay, time check. UTR is 18 minutes after the hour. Still calling for any more stations from anywhere, any mode. This is DB1 RMC, Richard, for the DX1CC Saturday morning Quicknet, standing by.
November 8 Delta Mike Alpha. November 8 Delta Mike Alpha.
Okay, maraming salamat po Tito Rico for joining with us today at ingat po dyan. Okay, November 8 Delta Mike Alpha is now line 73. Any other station calling in? Any other stations calling in? Please come now. DB1 RMC, net control, standing by. Any more stations calling in? Any more stations calling in from anywhere, any mode? This is DB1 RMC, return net control, standing by. Alright, time check, 19 minutes after the hour. Last call for any more stations who would like to join the DX1CC Saturday morning quick net. Please come now. This is DB1RMC, Net Control, standing by.
Delta Victor 1 X-ray, DV1X, Delta Victor 1 X-ray. Good morning, Net Control.
Right, copy the station of our club chairman of the board from Tansa, Cavite. Like Joel, maraming salamat po for checking in and for supporting our net. Good morning po sa inyo and have a good day ahead. DB1X is now lying cleared at 7-3. Okay, I think that's it for today, and see you again later tonight at 8 Papa Mike on 145.780 MHz, our DX1CC evening net call, of course, with DB1RMC. Okay, so time check, our QTR is 21 minutes after the hour. So to all our guests and members, and that is 21 who participated our morning Saturday quick net. Maraming salamat po, and we hope to hear you again for this edition of the net. So the DX1CC Saturday morning quick net is now closed. Frequency 145.780 MHz. And all other links are now back to regular amateur conversation. Alright, so please observe proper amateur conversation. On behalf of the X1CC, this is Delta Victor 1 Romeo Mike Charlie Richard saying stay safe, God bless us all. Happy weekend po, ingat lang po palagi at muli maraming salamat. So, goodbye, frequency clear, 7-3.